So hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my new episode. So in this episode, I will tell you ensuring payment guarantee for exporter. So this is Rajesh Sangwan, son of great parent, husband of a superwoman. Starting my career from network marketing, then turns into tiles business. Now a real estate businessman, importer, exporter. Train 10,000 plus student, 5,000 plus working professional. So in this episode I will tell you ensuring payments guarantee for exporter, right? So to know the payment guarantee which an exporter gets, payment guarantee is the biggest challenge for every exporter. Export Credit Guarantee Corporation of India Limited provides insurance cover to exporters, bank and financial institution. The special scheme provided by ecgc are factoring service, bill discounting and overseas investment insurance. The various type of ecgc are credit risk insurance cover information related to credit worthiness of buyers, information related to credit worthiness of country, main content of the as you are an exporter, you will receive payment from the foreign countries and you do not have any reach to the buyer, so whether you will receive the payment or not is always a concern. Okay, so you will always concerned about the risk that whether the buyer will make the payment or not. In such a case, all the exporters have only one spot: Export Credit Guarantee Corporation of India Limited, ecgc. Got it? Ecgc is a company of India government that supports exporter. It also provides insurance cover to the following exporters, bank, financial institution, overseas investment. You are doing investment in another country, so by this you get insurance cover in the case of any war, mishappening or any similar condition created between the two countries. You can approach ecgc by visiting the ecgc website www.ecgc.gov.in. When you will visit it, you will see that there are separate categories of products: insurance cover for exporters, banks and financial institution, right? So for following are the insurance covers products for the exporters: turnover base, exposure base, medium and long term based. Following are the insurance cover products for the bank and financial institution: pre-shipment short-term cover, post-shipment short-term cover, medium and long-term cover. You have to take the insurance cover from ecgc as per your exposure. Got it? So some special scheme of ecgc: factoring services. The factoring services firms purchase debt and receiving receivables from you, and they make 80 to 90% payment against the receivables purchased by you. For example, you supplied the products of worth 72 lakh rupees and of $1 lakh. So the factoring services provider will be provide you with an advance of 80 to 90% of 72 lakhs or $1 lakh. As per the agreement, you will start doing normal work, and after receiving the advance money, the customer will directly pay the factoring service provider on the due date of debt and receivables. As the factoring service provider receives money from the customer, you will receive the remaining amount. So factoring is a financial agreement in which you sell your trade receivables to some other company and you receive 80 to 90% payment against them. Got it? So the factory service provider give you the remaining amount balance after deducting the fees for the advance provided, interest on it and advance amount. The whole scenario ends up with the payment received from the customer. Okay, so coming out to the next point, second point, bills discounting. Bill discounting is also a financial arrangement wherein you need money, so you will get the bill discounted from the bank and it gives you 95 to 98%. Okay, 95 to 98% advance. For example, you raise a bill invoice on the customer for goods supplied worth of 72 lakh or rupees or $1 lakh. You will go to bank and show the proper documents and bill to get the bills discounted from the bank. The customer will pay you your bank on the due date of the bill. After receiving this amount, the bank will deduct the transaction charge plus the interest on the advance provided and pay you the remaining amount. In this way, you go to the discounted amount today and then you were supposed to receive after 6 months. This will also create a cash flow in your account. So that was supposed to occur after 6 months. Got it? So next, coming out to the next point, and that is overseas investment insurance. Overseas investment insurance is also special scheme provided by ecgc. For example, an Indian construction company entered into a joint venture with foreign company to do construction in their country. Both the companies make a separate firm in which the Indian company has some shares and the foreign company has some shares, right? This means a business place was established in the foreign country to look after the business there. In this case, the Indian company has taken the foreign investment, overseas investment, as they do not know whether the investment is secure or not. ECGC provides up to 90% insurance cover for the overseas investment depending on the following factors: the type of agreement you entered, the type of work will be done, the amount of investment made, the currency of investment made. You simply have to visit website of ECGC to check all the requirements. Got it? So you may have to take some customer specified customized service as per your requirement. So you can check all the things in detail as per A to Z insurance covers are mentioned on the website. Following are the factors of the insurance cover mentioned on the website. First is liability cover, second is premium mode of operating, right? Benefit of ECGC. What are the benefit of ECGC? It helps exporter to nurture and flourish their business in following ways. It provide the credit risk insurance cover to exporters. It provide the vital information like the credit worthiness of buyers, whether the buyers is capable to do payment or not. Okay, it provide the information about the credit worthiness of the country, whether the country of buyer is defaulter or not, right? So it also guide the exporters on the smooth conduct of activities. It helps the recovery of bad debts. It helps to obtain loan from bank. So you should practically check all the details, check the insurance cover you are getting, check the amount of premium to get paid, check the documentation to be done. And so coming out, the whole conclusion of this podcast is that avail the benefit of guaranteed payment using the special scheme of Export Credit Guarantee Corporation of India Limited (ECGC) while doing business with foreign countries. Check the credit worthiness of buyers, countries with the help of Export Credit Insurance Corporation for doing export business. So thank you so much for listening all the podcasts carefully. This podcast will help you a lot in export business and import business. So this is Rajesh Sangwan, son of great parents, husband of a superwoman, starting my career from network marketing, then turns into tiles business, then turns into real estate business, now a real estate businessman, e-commerce businessman, exporter, importer, a trainer, trained 10,000 plus students, 5,000 plus working professionals, founder of Rajesh Enterprises, signing off. Thank you so much.